This live is basically to announce about how we are going to proceed forward and what is this 100 days with K is all about. So basically, I'm Kadambari, founder, Women Entrepreneurship Development Organization, and I had started this program called 100 Days with K. Basically, I have this company, as I told you, we have women entrepreneurs, a membership exclusively for women entrepreneurs called We Do Work Peer. So this We Do Work Peer is completely into promoting women entrepreneurs. How we promote women entrepreneurs is basically, it's a collaborative marketing platform where each of us are separately promoting each other, but business doesn't happen like that. We are leveraging the word of mouth as well as digital platform to support each other in business. So that's what We Do Work Peer is all about. And I have introduced this 100 Day with K basically to promote this and also to give a lot of business insights to women entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs out there, and also invite women to be a part of us. So the mantra of We Do goes like this. It's called Let's Grow as We Let Grow. So it's like this, where women, most of the times there's a saying that women are the biggest trouble for another woman. We don't like another lady growing, or there's jealousy, but doesn't work that way. At We Do, every single member supports each other. To become a We Do Work Peer member, one has to be an entrepreneur. They have entrepreneurs. So I have come across so many wonderful women entrepreneurs who have amazing products but will not be able to shine well because most of them are not even seen outside. They don't even know how to promote their business and come out. And only when every business success is only when they have more customers. But when they do not, how will they find customers if somebody does not even know that their products exist? So this is how in We Do Work Peer we've conceptualized it in such a way that every woman who has a right product should get the right visibility, and not just that, she also gets an opportunity to get business through her fellow peers. So while we were doing this, there were many times where a lot of non-entrepreneur members, that is working mothers and other women at home, were asking us if there were any avenues for them to get into business. So then we have another new membership which we formulated, which is called We Do Influence, which is for non-entrepreneur women. If you don't have a business, this is the right platform for you to be, because our women are ready to handhold you, give you insight on exposure, direct exposure to business. Not just that, every business's success lies in marketing. Again, in my experience, I have noticed that after starting a business, if you don't know to promote your business, there starts your failure. But what happens here is, by being a part of We Do Influence, you get direct exposure with women entrepreneurs, their products, and also you have an opportunity to promote and recommend their products to others. And as you do this, you are also going to get a earning platform here, where it's going to be inside a very protected, close community. So is this a earning platform for non-entrepreneurs? Yes and no. It's not just earning, but there is a lot of learning. So who should be part of We Do Influences? One, working women. If you are a working woman and does not know how to start a business or wants some kind of an exit in future, this influence could give you a exposure to entrepreneurship, and it could actually give you a confidence or give you enough information to make a decision for yourself on whether entrepreneurship is for you or not. The second most important kind of people who should be part of this is homemakers. Many homemakers today try to go and look for work from home opportunities. They look for quick money options and they put in their effort, but end of the day they get fooled and they don't get paid, and also they don't even know the product that they recommend to somebody else or refer. But here it's not like that. You're not just going to be a recommendation partner, but you're going to be in close connect with your entrepreneur friends as well. which will not only give you a kind of sense of pride, but it also will give you a sense of knowledge, because there's going to be absolute transparency in the system. We formulate everything under the statement, let's grow as we let grow. Again, here, women who've already been inspired, who've already started their businesses, are now up there to enable few others to start their business, and also not that, but also to give them an advantage in the initial stage, so that they are able to learn through someone else's money and also in the process make money. So this is We Do Influence. Then finally, the third one, what we thought was, there are few women, especially when they are entrepreneur women, not everybody can become members with us, because our members put in at least 15 minutes per day into the system, because as I told you, they support each other in business. So some of them will not have that time, and they will not be able to afford that time at the moment, but they will require a lot of knowledge, because if they do not have knowledge, then automatically their business will fail. Many people think just by posting promotions on Facebook or just by posting on many platforms, they will be able to sell better. No, you will be able to sell only for some time. But when will you be able to actually create a strong foundation for yourself is when you actually create a collaborative marketing system for yourself. Even when there is competition, this is the system which is actually going to support you in your business to grow. So we have created a program called Profit Plan, where every woman entrepreneur must take this program, because your perspective towards approaching the business will be absolutely changing after you do this 3-day program. As a business consultant, I strongly believe that every good product should reach to the market. But if it's not reaching, it's it's a small system. It's like this. If a train doesn't run, there is some problem in the engine, right? So when you're going to actually go and tweak the engine and tweak the marketing plan, you need to actually figure out how. So I'm going to give you a complete system on analysis. You're going to be like a detective who will be able to exactly say where there's problem and why business is not coming in for you. And when you realize that, what steps you should be taking to actually make business happen for you. So these are the 3 things that we offer from We Do community. One, as I told you, for women entrepreneurs, we have We Do Work Peer, which is a collaborative marketing system where you are put into non-competitive groups. If you are a boutique owner, if you are a dentist in the system, you are the only person inside the system, and all your team members promote you. Not just your team members, but you also are going to have an influencer network which is going to promote you and bring in business for you through our system. And it's going to be a very close circle and a very safe circle to work with. And you can not only, in our experience, our women have not only sold better, but we're able to figure out new methodologies and marketing strategies for their business, and we're able to actually grow successfully in business. So that's first one for you. Second, if you are a homemaker, working woman, or a student, this is the right time for you to join We Do, because we have a platform for you to earn as well as experience entrepreneurship. 3, if you do not have too much time to join a membership, you can join We Do community by taking up a program with us called Profit Plan. When you have a product, we'll exactly tell you what are the things you need to know to market it. So this is my first, or rather a first info live, which is happening on my day 11 of 100 days with K. So on this day, I wanted to give everybody an insight on how you should be connecting with We Do. The whole idea of We Do is to enable every woman entrepreneur to collaborate and grow in business. So that is the whole aim. And we have strategies which will also get you customers from any part of the globe. So join the system. And to join the system, it's very simple. You visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/We We Do Women, WEDOWOMEN, or visit our YouTube link, which is just go and search up for WeDo/Women Entrepreneurs, and you will be able to see our YouTube channel. And you just go visit there. In one of the descriptions on the video, you will find a link where you can put in your details, or simply call me at 9840617220. So if you're going to reach out to me, I will definitely tell you how we can work together and can bring business to each other. We Do is a movement which I want to create for women entrepreneurs and women who want to aspire, who are aspiring to create great legacies for themselves. I think financial freedom for women is her birthright, and that's possible only when you're part of the right community, which is always in the lookout for each other, and that is what we are creating with We Do Workpeer. So join us, and women at home, do join us, and if you want to take up a course with us, you can still do that. And now about the Insta Lives. On every Saturday and Sunday, 8:30, as a part of the 100-day plan. Every other day it will be on YouTube and Facebook, and also on Insta there would be recorded videos. But 8:30 lives are going to happen on Insta from this week, Saturday and Sunday. I would want to bring in celebrities as a part of this live, which we were already doing in the past in the name of Visionary Women's Circle, so which I'm going to reinitiate here. So if you really want some super cool content and want to connect with real quality women who want to make it big, not just as a salesperson but as entrepreneurs, join our community We Do. There are a lot of things which is coming up for you. Everything you touch in We Do, every single recommendation in We Do, you have a possibility to earn. Not a possibility, you will definitely earn. So we've made We Do a place where you get financial freedom, not just from your business but also from your peers' business. So you can be a serial entrepreneur by becoming a We Do member. So thank you so much for joining the live today, and good day to you. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. And that's my day 11 in 100 days with K. So today I'm not doing any other slots, whereas I'm just keeping this for We Do announcement. So do share this video for people who would like to know about We Do. Please do share and watch this Insta page, because I'm going to come up featuring women entrepreneurs, where I'm going to invite you to introduce yourself, and I'm also going to call some of you in my future lives in the live. So best wishes to all of you. Entrepreneurship is a wonderful journey. Just take it up, enjoy the ride. If you have the knowledge of how to do your business, how to run your business, every day is going to be super fun, and every day is going to be a lesson or a success, right? So Profit Plan is the place for you. So do place in the comment section if you want to join a Profit Plan program. Yes, we are formulating the first batch, and we'll see you soon there. Thank you so much, and follow us on YouTube and our We Do page, and follow this page where every day we keep releasing videos on 100 days with K. And even our members have taken up a 100-day challenge to monitor their business on an everyday basis. When I started it on October 1st, where I started in the video mode, but all our members have started monitoring their business on an everyday basis in a particular format. And in 10 days, each of them have seen a consistent growth, because we are running our business in a very, very mindful way. We are monitoring even the way we relax. So entrepreneurship as a lifestyle is the way in which We Do Workpeer wants to go, and we encourage our people to go. So join us in We Do in one of the three. If you're an entrepreneur, We Do Workpeer. If you're a non-entrepreneur, We Do Influence. And if you just want to take up a course with us, Profit Plan. See you soon. Bye-bye.